Warrior Nation, it is my pleasure to introduce to you for the first time TK Luthor the Fifth and his partner, Isiah Wolf.
Where he is? I got this. Go.
Are you shooting me from my own gig?
Hello, Warrior Nation. It is I, TK Luthor the Fifth from Luthor's Paradise. And as you can see here, well, these are my views on practically everything women like. But back to me, focus. I'm here just to do one thing, and that's prove my family wrong. Cause they
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Okay.
Shut up!
All right.
Shut up!
All right.
Tonight shouldn't even happen. Tonight should not even happen. Really? Seriously?
Okay, that's okay.
They pinned you 1, 2, 3.
Don't. No.
1, 2, 3. We should have won that match. We should have won that match.
What match are you talking about?
The match we just had.
Wait, we didn't have a match.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Yes.
Yo. Do we look like a joke here? Cause we're not a joke. This is far from a joke. Understand it. Is that right?
Yes.
Shut up. Know this. The next time you see us in a ring, it's gonna be a whole different outcome. There ain't gonna be no losers from a TK and a Wolf. Don't touch me. Put the hands down.
I'm just
Put the hands down.
wrapping up.
Shut up. It's time for a change in Warriors. It's gonna get a little darker in Warriors. Things. Are you serious?
I'm just. Okay, just go.
I'm mad right now. I don't know why. You ain't mad.
Okay. Let's just go.
Get ready. Isiah Wolf. Stop smiling.
Oh!
It's gonna change.